Warning: please read the warnings we make in the more information section of our channel. We are not responsible for the information herein.
This incredible detox drink helps you burn fat, boost metabolism, fight diabetes and lower blood pressure. What if we tell you that there is a natural drink which can treat various illnesses and burn fat at the same time? The remedy we are going to present you today is extremely effective in fighting diabetes, regulating hypertension, burning fat, and detoxifying the body. This drink will naturally heal your entire body by speeding up your metabolism, burning extra fat, and lowering blood pressure. The most incredible detox drink. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1 tablespoon raw honey, 12-16 ounces or 1 glass of water. Instructions: take a blender and blend all the ingredients well. You should drink the mixture first thing in the morning before having breakfast. Make sure you always prepare the drink fresh. Drink this for at least 3 months or longer. Why is this drink so beneficial? What makes this remedy is the combination of some of the most effective natural remedies. Here are their benefits. Cinnamon is an excellent ingredient for the treatment of diabetes. It keeps the glucose level and improves insulin sensitivity in type 2 diabetic patients. Apple cider vinegar is a great remedy for hypertension due to the acetic acid it contains. This compound decreases the blood pressure. Lemon juice is packed with flavonoids, which are known for their antioxidant properties. Hence, lemons will fight the free radicals in the body and boost the immune system. Honey is rich in offers a variety of nutrients from enzymes, minerals and vitamins to polyphenols. Thus, it comes with various benefits and it can boost and improve the overall health.